Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 8. Hot and sour soup. A flavorful soup recipe that will make for a filling meal. Prepare time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 15 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients: 1. 8 ounce bamboo shoots, drained. 8 cups chicken broth. 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms, thinly sliced with stems discarded. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce. 2 teaspoons ground ginger. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon chili garlic sauce. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 2 big eggs, whisked. 4 green onions, thinly sliced. 8 ounces firm tofu, sliced in 1/2-inch cubes. Sea salt and black pepper to taste. Directions: 1. Set aside 1/4 cup of chicken broth for later use. 2. Add the remaining 7 3/4 cups of chicken broth, bamboo shoots, mushrooms, rice wine vinegar, ginger, chili garlic gravy, and soy sauce to a large stock pot. Warm over medium-high heat until the soup reaches a simmer. 3. Blend the 1/4 chicken broth you had set aside, along with cornstarch, in a small bowl until smooth. As the soup reaches a simmer, stir in the cornstarch mix and stir to combine or thicken the soup. 4. Continue to mix the soup as you add in the eggs, making egg ribbons. Stir in the tofu, sesame oil, and half of the green onions. Add your salt and pepper to taste, then stir. 5. Serve the soup hot and use the remaining green onions as a garnish, then enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my hot and sour soup recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.